Reddiplex are your leading provider of advanced sealing solutions, able to deliver on a wide range of demanding applications, whether precisely engineered to your individual concepts or through our range of industry-leading proprietary products. Right from the start, our design and development team work with you through close technical collaboration, optimizing the specification. Using our in-house tooling and 3D printing capabilities to very quickly deliver accurate prototypes. With over 50 years engineering and manufacturing experience at our 30,000 square metre UK site, we offer over 50 extruders processing a wide range of highly engineered polymer formulations, including co-extruded rigid, flexible and sponge polymer compounds, pushing the boundaries for highly complex sealing solutions. This is supported by fast turnaround, guaranteed repeatability, and a board-level commitment to sustainable, environmentally friendly performance. Our experience covers a vast range of industries, including construction, automotive, aerospace, marine, and many other technically demanding sectors. Headquartered in the UK, we collaborate closely with our customers worldwide, supported by our Hong Kong technical and sales office for 30 years. We're dedicated to helping you identify and meet your needs. Whatever and wherever your sealing challenge, we're ready to support you.